DAVE stock analysis, super interesting. I'm going to show you my exact play, exactly whether I'm buying or not. I mean, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos, documented them all, and have proof 5 years, every single day track record. And man, look, I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in course cement, so you don't have to. In this particular instance, after a performance like this, I'm looking to just double down, right? Not in a way where I'm just going to randomly start buying or anything, not really. But if I do see the price pulling a tad bit lower and then showing me some sort of a shift and a double break, then you bet I'm going to look to buy. And I don't know about you, man, like rules must be met, you know? So I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. I mean, I really doubt the rules are about to be met. We might as well, you know, deliver, but we're going to see. You know, I'm not assuming here. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.